welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Annie babe. Thank you for clicking on this video. In today's video I will be showing you simple way to make pounded yam with in microwave. This is my pounded yam. I'm going to take 3 cups of pounded yam. Then this is my water to mix it. I have, if you can see, I have 800 millimeter of water. You may need more, but for now this is what we are using. Okay guys, let me put my pounded yam inside my plate. This is 2 cups of pounded yam. I'm going to add my water inside. I didn't finish the water, I just add a little bit. I'm going to mix it together. I'm going to be mixing it and be adding water. I will add again. I will turn it together to make it smooth. Add again. I just finished adding the water. Now all the water, I will mix it. After this we will find out if we need more water. Look at it, it's too thick. Look at it, it's too thick. I need to add more water to it. This is another 400. This is where the water is, another 400 cc or millimeter. So I'm going to add, I'm not going to add everything. I'm going to be adding it little by little till I get what I want. This is how it look like. I'm still going to add a little bit. Okay, I think this is okay. Let's get closer to it to see. Do you see it? Everything is smooth now. So let's go to microwave to on our microwave. Okay guys, we are finished mixing it. We're going to put it in microwave. This is my microwave. It's half open. I'm going to put it inside and cover it. I'm going to on it for 5 minutes. I will be on it for 5 minutes. But first of all, let's go with 5 minutes. This is it, 5 minutes. Okay guys, it's 5 minutes now. Let's see how it look like. This is how it look like the first 5 minutes. This is my turning stick. We are going to turn it. You see it? You turn it very well. With your turning stick. After turning it, you open inside with the turning stick like this. I'm going to put it back again for another 5 minutes. Okay guys, let's bring it out. I'm going to turn it. This is the second time, which is 10 minutes. Let me show you how it look like. Do you see it? So I'm going to turn it again. You turn it very well with my turning stick. I'm turning it with my turning stick. Do you see it? Some people will say it's okay. Then I've already put it 10 minutes. I'm going to put it another 2 minutes. After that, that is all. Do you see how it look like? Okay guys, I just bring it out of the microwave. So I'm going to turn it again. So I first of all put it on microwave for the first 5 minutes. I bring it out, I turn it together. I went back and put it in another 5 minutes. That making it 10 minutes. I bring it back again and I turn it. Then I put it back another 2 minutes. That is 12 minutes. So I put it in microwave for 12 minutes. Now it's ready. This is my food service film roll. I'm going to put it on this film roll in order to look presentable. I'm going to take out the turning stick. Then I will cut it. Cut it very well. I will put it in my film roll. I will roll it together. I will cut another one again. Then I will cut the last one. My pounded yam is ready. These are the outcome of my pounded yam that I use microwave to do. Thank you guys for watching. Please, if you have not subscribed to my channel, please do so. Subscribe, leave a comment for me, and share the video. Don't forget to like it also, and see you on my next video. Bye.